Ngayon, this is
Alright guys, race safe, make sure that you okay, kalimutan. Because this counts only happen during the events. Okay, and if you want to take advantage of it, finish your shirt, pinch your medal, and post race meal. Makikitikim ako nitong